Hey guys, my name is Danielle and welcome back to my channel. So for today, I thought I would come on camera and show you how I do my makeup when I'm about to go to work. Most days is pretty basic, especially if I'm going to work at like 7:45 in the morning. But I have to be at work at 3 today, but I still only have a short amount of time because I still have to walk my dog and do other things around here. So if you want to see how I did my makeup look, just keep on watching. For primer, I'm just going to use the Nivea Shave Post Balm and put that on my under eyes where I usually put my concealer, basically. So for concealer, I'm going to use the Milani Retouch and Erase concealer in the shade Light, 02 Light. And I'm going to conceal the under eyes, chin, my nose, upper forehead, and I'm going to use that as my eye primer base. I'm just going to use my Real Technique sponge and blend that out. And to set it, I'm just going to use my Coty Airspun powder in the shade Translucent Extra Coverage 070. That's a long shade name. Alright, so my face is done, and now I'm going to move on to my eyes, and for my eyes, I'm just going to dip in onto this palette right here. These are the colors. I'm just going to take the shade right here called Gala and put that in my crease. So next I'm going to use Splunge right here. I think that's Splurge. Splurge. Oops. Anyways, I'm just going to put that right here on the outer edge. For the last outer edge color, I'm going to put Stunner right there. And put that on the outer edge. Now I'm just going to take Mongol and put that on my lid. That's all I do for my eyes. I may decide to put eyeshadow on the lower lash line, I may not, but moving on, I'm just going to put on some mascara, and I'm just going to use the Tarteist mascara and put that on my eyelashes. And I never leave home without highlight, and so for highlight, I'm just going to go into the Carly Bible palette, and I'm just going to take this white shade and pink shade and highlight my cheekbones. Next, I'm just going to set my face with Skindavia setting spray. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!